It's a one-stop comprehensive asphalt batching plant. Those are actually really cool. And if you have the proper recipe, you can make some really nice mix. It adopts new special running rule, which is called vertical forcing stirring system, built in the 360-degree rotating swinging sticks that can give a more evenly mixing effect. For asphalt mixtures, materials are fed into the double horizontal shaft mixing cylinder. The mixing shaft rotating at 40 to 80 revolutions per minute drives the 360-degree wear-resistant mixing fins, which work with the 45 inclined blades to achieve high-speed shearing. Dead angle-free mixing is completed within 30 to 45s, ensuring uniform coating of asphalt on aggregates coating rate 98%. Due to the precise fit between the fins and the cylinder body, no cleaning is required after discharging. You can see in the video about the whole working flow. The recycled asphalt has an oily and fine texture, is not dry, no aged, no overburnt, and is indistinguishable from new asphalt. It can be directly paved and used for road defects such as potholes, cracks, and ruts. It can produce small batch mixtures, 5 to 1 OT batch on-site. Combined with the asphalt spraying function, it enables immediate repair, especially suitable for small maintenance projects like rural roads, community roads, and highway service areas. In addition, say for the new road construction projects, it's suitable for producing asphalt surface layers. Mixtures like AC13, AC20 for expressways, national highways, and provincial highways. The hourly output of 30 to 80 T meets large-scale construction needs. It can also be used to prepare high-standard mixtures for urban main roads, parking lots, and airport runways. It has the superior mixing quality, the 360-degree mixing fins wear resistance, HSC 5560, combined with high-speed mixing 40 to 80 revolutions per minute ensure the mixture uniformity 98%. With no white speckled materials or agglomerated materials. Pavement compaction is increased by 2% to 3%, and durability is significantly enhanced. High production efficiency. The single mixing cycle is 30-45 south, with an hourly output of 30 to 80 T. The no cleaning design reduces downtime by over 30%, and no additional equipment is needed for old material. Recycling comprehensive efficiency is 20% to 30% higher than traditional equipment. Look its discharging moments. Fast and smoothly. Next, introduction of its 1-6 core functions as like 1 old asphalt recycling, 2 new asphalt mixture production, 3 bitumen storage and heating and cracks filling, 4 emulsified asphalt storage and heating and spraying. 5 can be used as 1 small electricity and hydraulic power station, 6 auxiliary lifting capability, 500 kg. Accurate temperature control, the indirect heating plus hot air circulation system. Temperature fluctuation is less than or equal to plus or minus 5 degrees centigrade ensures asphalt and aggregates are coated at the optimal temperature, 165 to 200 C, avoiding asphalt aging or incomplete melting. Finally, say it's the infrared heating modules are optional. Infrared rays penetrate the air and directly irradiate the surface layer of the asphalt pavement. There is no need to heat the intermediate air, so its thermal efficiency is more than 30% higher than that of hot air heating. After the organic molecules in the asphalt absorb the infrared energy, their molecular movement intensifies, the internal cohesive force weakens, and the pavement gradually softens. The heating depth is usually 5 to 15 centimeters, which meets the needs of asphalt pavement milling or resurfacing. It's really one strong, comprehensive and powerful road maintenance equipment, economical, eco-friendly, and highly save energy with a higher efficiency, which you deserve it. In addition, we supply full range of road maintenance equipment. Welcome inquiries and orders.